Hi, this is Phil at vanishedvpn.com.au, and today I'm going to show you how to set up our PPTP client on Windows 10. So this is fairly simple and straightforward. On Windows 10 they made it a bit easier. So as you can see here, we've got the Netflix catalogue, and I'm based in Australia, so it's serving me the Australian content. And how do I know that? Well, if I do a search for the movie Minions, which I want to watch. Oh, spelt it wrong, that doesn't help. You can see Minions is not available to me, so that's because I'm being served the Australian catalogue, and Netflix only serve me a certain amount of content, and they don't serve me the movie I want to watch. So we're going to set up a VPN which is going to bypass all of that, and on Windows 10 it's quite simple. So if we just start by right clicking on this icon down here, we left click on that icon down there, and it brings up this menu here. So I'm going to click VPN, and then I'm going to click add a VPN connection. Now VPN provider, we just want to do the Windows built-in connection name. We call it anything, so I'm going to call it demo. Server name and address, there's some instructions you would receive when you sign up, and it will have your server name on there and your username and your password. So for PPT, I'm just going to put in the USA server name because I want to get the US content. And we recommend that you copy and paste all of these credentials in because they're all case sensitive, but I'm going to try and type them in, so hopefully I'll get them right. So the next one we need to choose is Vpn Type. Just click on that and it's going to be the top one, PPTP. Type of sign-in info is going to be username and password, so the default. So again, for these username and password, it's really important that you don't make a typo, so we really suggest copy and pasting. I know what mine are because I type them in very regularly, so hopefully I won't make a mistake, so I'm just going to type them in. Okay, make sure the remember my sign-in info is clicked. So then we click on save, and you can see demo is a new one that we've just created in this VPN category. So we're going to click on that and just click on connect, and it comes up saying verifying, so that's a good sign. Completing the connection. Okay, now it says we're connected. So just to test that out, I'm going to go back to Netflix and I'm going to browse the Netflix catalogue. And we should have a different catalogue here now, so let me just check for the movie Minions again. Okay, so that hasn't come up. Let's just go back to the beginning. Now this sometimes happens actually, it's quite good this has come up in the demo because sometimes when you're setting up you just need to go back to the beginning and start again. So what I've done is gone back to just netflix.com. And I'm searching for Minions now. You can see Minions is there, so I am in the US catalogue, and if we just check that and we play it, that should play the movie Minions that we want to watch. Okay, and there you are, it's now playing. So that's all good. We're all connected to the US servers, and we can access the US content from Netflix or Hulu or wherever it is. So you can leave that connected, or just for normal browsing. What you will find is that you will get US content, so you'll probably get the US version of Google, for instance. So you may want to just disconnect that, and it's quite easy. You just disconnect that when you're not using it. And as you can see on the side now, actually that's quite a good part of the demo as well. When we disconnect it, Netflix immediately susses that we're not in the US, so we get this proxy error, which some of you may have seen before, which is quite irritating. And to get rid of that, we'll just go back into this and connect it again. Now if you've signed up and you haven't got that, so you've just signed into your Windows PC, what you need to do to get onto the VPN is just go down to the bottom here, left click, choose VPN, and that brings you to VPN options. And as you can see there, we choose VPN and we can easily just connect to that again. So just to show you that works again, just click connect. and again completed the connection. We're connected, and that content would be available to us again if we wanted to play it. So there it is again there, and that's it. It's as simple as that. So thanks for watching this demo, and catch us on vanishedvpn.com.au. Thanks.